Hey everyone, welcome back to another devlog for Waterworld Jumper. In today's video, we'll be diving into the development process of Island 2 and introducing a new obstacle for our game. But before we get started, let's talk a bit about the educational aspect of this project and why I chose to build an obstacle game as a foundation for my dream hack and slash role-playing game with dungeon crawler mechanics. First off, I believe in learning by doing, and what better way to learn game development than by having fun while doing it. Building this obstacle game allows us to grasp the fundamental development aspects while keeping the process enjoyable and engaging. Now, let's jump into the development process of Island 2. We want to create a smaller island that includes a checkpoint for respawning. Checkpoints will be a recurring feature on all new islands we introduce in the game. So, let's break down the steps. To create the island, we start by adding a new island. In the terrain editor window, we adjust the settings, setting the base size to 20 and the material to sand. Clicking near the spawn location in the viewport, a sphere of sand material displays. We then use the flatten and sculpt tools to shape the island, making it look natural. Now, let's introduce a new obstacle, the Raft. In the Raft folder, we have a Raft part with a Lua script. The script uses tween service and run service to create a smooth movement for the raft. It duplicates the Raft part to have multiple rafts, and each will move in different directions, adding a challenging element to the game. The script starts by getting the tween service and run service from the game, which are essential for creating tweens, animations, and handling events like the stepped event. The Raft variable is assigned the reference to the object to which the script is attached. This is usually the part or model that you want to apply the tween and movement logic to. Tween info is created to define the parameters for the tween animation. It includes the duration, 10 seconds, easing style, cubic, easing direction, in-out, repeat count, -1 means infinite, and reverse true. A tween is created using tween service, create, specifying the object, moving, tween info, and the goal properties. In this case, it moves the object 50 studs in the positive Z direction. The tween play method is called to start the animation. The initial position of the object is stored in LastPass. A function is connected to the stepped event of run service. This function calculates the current position, the change in position, delta pass, and the velocity based on the change in position and delta time. The calculated velocity is applied to the object's assembly linear velocity property. This is often used for smooth movement in Roblox. And there you have it, folks. Devlog 2 for Water World Jumper, where we've built Island 2 and added a new obstacle to the mix. Stay tuned for the next devlog, where we'll explore a new island with even more obstacles to spice up the gameplay. If you're enjoying these devlogs, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for joining me on this game development journey, and until next time, happy coding! As always, the code and assets used in this devlog are available in the description below. Feel free to check them out and experiment with your own game development projects. See you in the next one.